Hey guys, to wrap up the video, I want to give you a little my stash ads from the show in Salisbury Saturday. So I wanted to share with you a few things. I'm not going to show you everything because some of it's going to be a surprise down the road here a little bit. One of the things I found for $1 was this AeroVet body. Well, as you can see, somebody cut the nose off. I guess that was for a customer or something, but that's okay. But I had something in mind to experiment with, and in that it's just that back portion of an AeroVet. Had to have it. I'm going to experiment with something. If it works, I'm going to share it with you. But hey, for $1, it was worth it. Also got a few new business cards and updated cards and stuff. Bandit Resins, K-Dog, Kenny, Bandit Resins, and great stuff. I'll share something I picked up from him here in a minute too that I'm excited about. And of course, as you saw in the other video about Herd Hobbies, great modifieds. Picked up one of David's latest cards from Plastic Performance Products, and this plays about every stock car I build. His tires and wheels are in them anyway. And Top Speed decals. This was great stuff. They're Alps printed 125th NASCAR Pro Stock short track funny car, just racing decals. But absolutely awesome stuff. Let me get that up there. Now hold it a minute and let you see the information there. But look him up. Really good stuff. Also from Bandit. Sorry, I keep hitting the I'm excited. From Bandit, I got some small barrel stacks. That'll be for my gasser project, I think. But I really like these. Really like those. And while I was over at Herd Hobbies, and I'll show you this that I picked up anyway. Some great looking jack stands. A couple sets of those. Like I don't have enough jack stands. Robbie Meadows was there, and check out these decals. And of course, if it's Petty, you guys know by now, gotta have it. So the old school Petty Enterprise decals and the Plymouth by Petty, had to have a few of those. In fact, I'm probably going to see if he can knock me out the Dodge by Petty for the white Charger too, for maybe a display stand or something. And Ace Decals was there, and check this out. I picked these up for a friend, and then I got looking at them and went, wow, these really are top of the line decals. But is that not beautiful? For the Matador, so you can do the Bobby Allison Matador, or the Mark Donahue, I'd imagine, with the 16s. But is that not beautiful? Great registry, very crisp, very clean. And get these back in here. And let me show you the kits I got. First off, I had to have this for my granddaughter. She's a Scooby-Doo nut. And we've got the airplane and that we were going to be putting together, but I had to get this. That way she had all 6 figures, and she'll have the van to do. We may do that again online. I don't know. We'll see. And while Amanda was looking, she ran across this and fell in love with it because she remembered riding around. Her dad was a contractor. In fact, he built the house we live in. And she saw this, and it was reminded her of the old green truck that he had. And she didn't want to do it in green, but she said, you know what, I may try to build that. But she just kept looking at it and went back to it. And I said, get it. So finally, she had to have it, so she got it. So she may be doing a Chevy pickup. We'll see. And for parts for my 32 Ford, there's two specific things that were in this kit. And this thing was open, and it was marked down considerably, so I got it. And there's two things in there I'm really needing. So I picked that up, and also, I just love this anyway, but the 34 Ford early modified, going to be using a couple of parts out of this too. I think I'm going to get the headers out of this as well. But this is something I was really excited about, and that is Kenny, K-Dog at Bandit Resins. Once again, you saw the 69 Barracuda I did. This is the 68 Cuda Hemi, and you see the pictures of what he had on display here. That was just a mock-up. And let's show you this thing. Let me tell you, this is one more. It was just like the 69. I got home and I was eager to get it out and look it over. And It is clean as a pin. There is not even on the inside, there's no pinholes. I mean, it is, I mean, look at even the retainers for where the firewall and the radiator supports would be held. All of it is very crisply molded in there. And like I said, not even an air bubble or pinhole anywhere in this body. And of course, like with any resin, you'll clean up a little bit along the edge and maybe sand a little bit on the wheel wells. But overall, this thing, check that spoiler out. Is that not wicked? And the chin and front spoiler up here, spot on. This thing is cool. And he even threw in, as you saw on the mock-up that he had on his table, the decals. The full decal sheet comes with it. Awesome stuff. And this blew me away when I was looking at it in the car. I said, are the headlights actually LEDs? And let me get them out here. Check that out. I don't know if you can see it, but right up in the, let me grab my fancy pointer here. Maybe you can from this angle. You see you've got the LEDs up in the headlights there. This is awesome, awesome stuff. Modified the grill from the stock just a little bit to give it a more updated look. And all the parts are just beautiful. And this hood, let me tell you, it's designed for the 392, the modern Hemi. Of course, you could put, it's our model car, we can put in it whatever we want to, but look how raised and clean that is on the bottom side up in there. And check that out on the top. Is that not tough? Very little cleanups required. This makes an awesome looking car. But everything I've looked over, this is just a clean casting, right down to all the details on the gas cap. Everything is just very clean. The windows, just like the windows that came in the 69 that I built, that you saw, very clear, very crisp. Line up, I've already held them in place up in here, and they fit flush, spot on. Just really great vacuum forming, and easy to see where the lines are for it. This is an awesome, awesome kit. Like I said, there's a little bit of cleanup on the bumper, stuff like that, but that's, you know, a lot of times resin, you got a little bit to do. But as far as the overall casting, again, there's no pinholes, there's no short shots anywhere. This thing is just really, really a clean casting. And I kind of look forward to building this one too. But that's my stash from the weekend, guys. Hope you enjoyed tagging along. God bless. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you head over there and subscribe. And, oh, I left out one thing real quick. This was given to me by Ed Adair, and this is a new chrome product. And it is from Spain. He ordered it from Spain and wanted me to do a review. So here shortly we'll be doing a review on this. It's called Green Stuff World Chrome Metal. It's got a strong odor of alcohol, so it's an alcohol-based chrome. And he said one of the demos he saw of it was shot over airbrush, and you see it says airbrush, was just shot on white plastic. But they say the results are better over gloss black, kind of like all clad and stuff. So we're going to try it both ways when we experiment with it, and we're just going to see how it turns out. But Green Stuff World Chrome Metal. So we'll be giving this stuff a try. Again, guys, if you haven't subscribed, be sure you do that. And here I am knocking the camera around again. Thanks again for the support and watching. And we will see you in the next video. God bless, guys.